Very good morning. Thank you for coming to our booth. We are a company located in the south of Austria on the Inn River. Maybe you know the company name VOERE because of the ancient history of the past. Here we have the new product coming up this year from VOERE, which is named XPR, stand for Experience Precision Rifle. What different from the other rifle? Let's start from the beginning. Bipod. It's a bipod made in carbon and titanium, very affordable for the price, but huge and supreme in quality. Then we have a forged barrel, 29 millimeter outside diameter, which is cross-hammered and bottomed at the inside. The barrel is easy to be replaced with a different size, different length, or either different caliber if you want to change the caliber of your carbine. How to do that is pretty simple. You just have to open, watch inside, make sure it's empty, and unlock the 4 screws that keeps the barrel in position. It's a barrel block. Barrel block means that all the barrel come up in a while.
Wow, that's really quick and impressive there.
Yeah, it's messy, huh? And the lugs are milled from inside the barrel. There are no barrel extension, no other device, just one piece, gorgeous steel made in Italy, Lecco, and forged in Austria, in Kuffeld. And Kufstein is making all the drilling and milling operation with 7-axle CNC machine fully out. That's the reason because we can keep so low price to the market. The accuracy of this, the precision of this is age 7 level, so very nice.
So what size groups do you see out of these rifles typically?
Normally it's for long range shooting and hobbyist and F-class.
Okay, so extremely accurate.
Yeah.
And can you tell me what metal the barrel is made out of? What type of metal?
The metal is made in Lecco, province of Lecco, Italy, and then forged in Austria by the company. As well, the muzzle breaker that is milled from all together barrel. The length of the barrel, the maximum length of the barrel we produce actually is 32 inches. And actually this kind of operation allow us to get an average accuracy of 1/8 MOA, which is a lot.
Wow, 1/8 MOA, that's super impressive.
Yeah.
And so you're saying that the muzzle brake is made with the same bar stock, is that what you're saying?
Same steel,
okay.
same steel. In order to keep the same elasticity, the same expansion of the material. Must be the same material because guarantee the same expansion on the heat temperature.
Okay.
Also, I have to say that this kind of operation made from one piece of steel guarantee a rifle of 5 miles per hour accuracy, which is a lot.
Yeah. And so you talked about the barrel a little bit. How many lugs does the bolt have, or how many recesses in the barrel? Is it a 3-lug bolt, or
3 lugs? Yeah, 3 bolt, 3 lugs. They get together in one age 7 lock. At this point, the cartridge is fully locked inside the barrel. There are no excuses.
Yeah.
Because the cartridge chamber is perfectly aligned. Age 7 work with the barrel, and once you lock in, the cartridge is totally, completely, absolutely locked in one piece of steel.
Okay. And this is a push feed action for those that don't know. What is the bolt throw on the action here? How many degrees does the bolt throw? Is it a 90-degree bolt throw?
It's only 60.
It's a 60-degree bolt
60
throw?
because you have to divide 360.
Okay.
So it's very quickly, and the action comes very naturally.
Yes. And it's got a rear safety, it looks like, on the bolt.
This comes from the experience and the history of the company, because we have, of course, the marching safety and the sentinel safety. Means that when you lock in safety, you lock the fire pin, not the trigger. Nobody cares about the trigger, if the trigger is locked or not. The most important is that in the rifle, you lock the fire pin. If the fire pin and the bolt is locked, no accident can happen because everything is stopped. So we have two different safety, marching safety and sentinel safety. Sentinel safety is this one, and marching safety is this one. Once in marching safety, you can throw your rifle from the 6th floor of a building and nothing can happen unless you smash a rifle.
Right. And so I take it the chassis is made out of aluminum, is that correct?
The chassis is made from one piece forged aluminum 7075, all milled from one positioning on the machine, because as I said, we have 7-axle CNC.
Okay.
Actually, in the company, you have 36 CNC producing this kind of case, and the action is made very light. It's made by one piece of aluminum with 4 screws to barrel lock in. And the Picatinny is 20 more Picatinny inclination.
So integral 20 MOA Picatinny rail, and then it's full length. Looks like it has M-lock on the sides and the bottom. And you got your pistol grip, mag release, a full, if you could show the stock right here. It has M-lock on the slot on the bottom, so you could put a monopod, has a fully adjustable buttstock and cheek riser, and it's a foldable stock. So if you wanted to take this on a trip and you had to fly an airline, this would be more compact for taking on an airplane if you're traveling to hunt or shoot competition.
Even in the backside.
Right. So what's the the average weight we're looking at for this rifle setup in 308 Winchester?
308 Winchester is only $1,800.
Okay, that's the price. How much does it weigh? Like how many kilograms or?
It's only 5.6 kilogram.
Okay.
Altogether with the 26 inches barrel and muzzle breaker.
And what calibers is this going to be available in?
Actually, it's from 223 Remington up to 300 PRC, which is the last release. And I can say we, of course, produce short action and long action case.
Okay.
But the 300 PRC is the most exciting.
Yeah, for those ELR shots, that would work great. And is this a single stage trigger that it comes with, or a two-stage?
Double stage, but they
two-stage,
adjustable, so you can adjust the first stage up to 0 if you need. Actually, comes with 2 stages.
And then how low or light can you make the second stage on this trigger?
It's up to the sensitivity of the shooter. Okay. You can easily regulate by a screw up here, and it's up to you. You can adjust it on the field according to your need. For the 800 gram, actually we can go from 30 grams to 1,800 grams of weight. You can adjust the weight, you can adjust the stages, because the first stage can be reduced to 0. Okay.
So this looks like an absolutely fantastic to me for precision, long-range shooting, excellent quality, affordable price point. I look forward to seeing it when it hits the market here in the United States, and thank you for talking.